Hello everyone, welcome to movie review. Today I'm gonna do a movie review. The movie name is Maleficent. This is the poster of this movie. Director of this movie Robert Stromberg. Genre family, fantasy and adventure. Screenplay by Linda Ulferton. Based on Disney's Sleeping Beauty. Country United States. Language English. Budget 180 to 263 million. Box office 758.5 millions. Release date 29 May 2014. Before going to the main discussion, let's watch a short trailer of this movie.
I remember the story of an evil witch.
When I look out my window,
And the princess she cursed to sleep forever.
many sights to see.
The story became legend.
And when I look in
But this is no fairy tale.
so many different,
There are many who prey on the innocent. I'm sure your kind would agree.
If I didn't know better, I'd say you were making a threat.
Well, do you?
Do I what?
Know better.
What have you done?
must be a season of
Recently, I watched an English movie that is Maleficent. Angelina Jolie, the main protagonist in the movie. She has played the role of Maleficent. After watching this movie, I thought Angelina Jolie is the perfect character for this story. I also feel that as a fairy tale action film, Angelina Jolie's makeup has become too scary. The spoiler holds the story of the movie. Until the last moment, what happened next in the movie is totally unpredictable. She's bad, she's good, she's bad again. There are so many ups and downs in this movie. I really enjoyed this movie and I like the story so much. So I chose this movie for review. The movie starts with Maleficent is a young fairy who believes in love and peace, living in a Morse, a magical realm with a neighboring human kingdom. We can divide the plots of the movie in 4 parts. Number 1, when Maleficent falls in love with Stephen in teenage. Number 2, Stephen traps Maleficent to become king and cut off his wings. Number 3, Maleficent became violent and desperate to take revenge. Finally, Stephen's daughter Aurora is born. Now she gets the right time to take revenge. As a young girl, Maleficent meets and falls in love with a human peasant boy named Stephen. On Maleficent's 16th birthday, he gives her a true love's kiss. However, as they grow older, they grow apart. Stephen's love is overshadowed by ambitions, and Maleficent becomes protector of the Morse. The magic and human realms are soon at war, with the human king wanting to rid his world of the fantastic creatures that hold more power and strength than he and his army. Stephen is promised that he will become king. He lures Maleficent into a trap, drugs her and cut off his wings. She can no longer fly but is still magically very powerful, is blind with rage. Maleficent returned to the Morse and turned it into a dark kingdom. She rescues a raven from some attackers by transforming him into a human. Now, anyway, he wants to take revenge on Stephen. After enlisting the help of devil, when King Stephen has a child, Maleficent sees her to opportunity to take revenge. She puts a curse on the child. Although the princess shall grow in beauty and grace, Before the sunset on the 16th birthday, she will pick her finger on a spinning whole spindle and fall into a sleep, from which she can only even be awakened by true love's kiss. In this movie, the last part is climax. This part is most intense, exciting, and important. This part is about how Maleficent has changed how he believes in love again, and this part also shows that Maleficent is not evil in minds. In this movie, Angelina Jolie role as the main protagonist, Maleficent, and Sartolo Copley role as the main antagonist of this movie, Stefan. Fanning role as the Aurora, and New Hannah role the play, Lila. Sam Reilly role as the play, Diaval. Well, after watching this movie, I thought that Angelina Jolie played the role of the Maleficent character perfectly. She was the best actor for this character. And Angelina Jolie's makeup in the movie has become a little more terrifying. Angelina Jolie has admitted that in the makeup and costume looks so intimidating and outright frightened children on the set. Angelina Jolie's Maleficent claimed to be a deeper look at the story behind Dancy's Sleeping Beauty, showing a more sympathetic, nuanced version of the classic tale, while at some points Maleficent shows us new sides to the story. In this movie, this is my favorite quote that Maleficent said, "I had wings once, and they were strong. They could carry me above the clouds and into the headwinds, and they never faltered, not even once." Maleficent. This movie gives us a message that is true love. Maleficent recognized that the only way to free her young princess Aurora is to find her true love. Maleficent does not believe in true love after her personal experiences, but she is hopeful. Only by true love's kiss could she possibly be free from the curse. Maleficent loved her. How amazing. I highly recommended this movie. Don't miss it. And I will give 8 out of 10 for this movie.